Hello, my dear friends. Hope you all are fine and healthy. My name is Parth, and I welcome you to our channel Must Watch Tips. And today I'm going to show how to make this percentage animated title slide where you can show category or topic wise percentage split in an animated way. And trust me, creating this presentation is very easy, and I'm going to show how to make this PPT end to end. Also, if you want to learn more tips and tricks like this, you can always visit our channel. And those presentations are really awesome. So now without any further talks, let's get into this video and start making this presentation. So first of all, let me go to file and take a new blank presentation. I will delete this placeholders and now let us start with making an arc. So we will go to insert, we'll go to shape, and here you have an option of making an arc. So I will select this and by holding shift button I will make an arc. So the trick is that if you hold a shift button, then you can make an arc as a part of a circle and not an oval. So let me show you why I am saying this. Let me go to insert again and let me choose an arc. So if I make an arc like this without holding shift button, it may or may not be a circle. But if you hold a shift button and make an arc, then it will be a part of circle. So after I make this arc, I will go to shape format and in shape outline, let me select more line option where I will increase the width to 20. And now let us focus here. So if you click on this, you can see that there is a yellow button down here. So if you hold that button and drag, it will tend to make a complete circle. When you move this circle like this. So if I complete over here, it will be 50 plus 25, 75% of the portion. So if I have a category or title which covers 75%, then I can go with this arc. Now I'm going to choose gradient color. So for that, I am going to this website called colors where I will click on explore. So this website gives us plenty of color palettes which we can use. So let us say I want to use this palette. So I'll just take a snip of it by pressing Window Shift S. And I will simply paste it in my presentation. So now let us go to our arc which we have made. Now let us go to, instead of fill, let us go to line and let us choose a color like this. Okay, let us choose a gradient fill, 3 gradient shades, and here we can select different colors. So if I select this, then in the second color, let me choose another one. I like this. But one thing you noted that the gradient is starting from top to bottom. So we can change even that. So in a linear, let us choose radial gradient fill in the type option. Now even you can choose the direction according to your preference. So let me put it here. And I have chosen the website called Colors because I find it very handy to grab a color palette from there. But even you can go to Chrome and directly search for the color palettes which you want. Now this arc, we have a sharp end at the where the shape gets over. So we will go to format shape and in the cap type, let us say round. So this is now looking more better. And as you have created the arc, now let us add animation to this arc so that it starts from here and end over here. So let me go to animation and let us take an animation like wheel. So you can see that the animation is starting from the top and then it is ending towards this. Let us change the duration to 1 second and it is animation is on click. But if you have noted over here that if I preview this, you can see that there is still some part missing while I present like this. So due to that, let us go to insert, let us go to shape and insert a small circle. Let me choose no outline and place it over here. Now in the solid fill, let us choose the color same as the background of that part. Let us go to animation and let us add animation of appear in this text box. And this one, the second animation which we have given to this oval shape, let us click with previous. So if I click on preview now, it is making more sense like this. So the animation pane is where you can see all the animation which you have applied in that particular slide. So now as we are ready with our arc, we will go to insert and add a text box where we will say it is 75%. Let us choose some awesome fonts and let us select elephant font. So if I want to place it over here, I can place it here. And if you wish, you can place it below this arc as well. So let me put it this way. And so the text box is within the arc. So let us choose the font color, the same color as we have in the one of the gradient. Let me duplicate this and let me add a title over here. Let us say topic first. I'll place it over here. And you can add your subtitle over here. So this is the first group of objects which we have. Now let us add animation to this, because if you go to animation and preview, your some of the text are like still appearing directly. So instead of appear, let us select zoom in for all the text boxes which we have like this. So if I click on preview now, it is looking like this. Perfect. So we have applied animation to the arc, which is the wheel animation. We have applied animation to this small dot which we have added due to the incomplete arc or the rounded arc. Uh, we have applied this animation zoom in to the text boxes which we have like this. And we have a slight delay of half a second after this oval and the text box 75% which we have written. So now these are all the steps which you need to do to make the animation, and you can duplicate this by selecting all and press Ctrl D. So this is where you can duplicate exactly the objects which you have selected in a similar way along with the animations. So if I click on preview, this is how it works. So now let us say I want to change this percentage to 90%. So I will go to this arc and increase its length by this much of percentage, and I will say it is 90% contributing. And in the topic one, let us say I have topic 2. So in this way, you can create different percentage sliders according to your topics given. And at the end of this slide, you will end up having this type of presentation. So this is how the final animation looks like. So I hope I have made it easy for you to make this presentation and you like this video. Please go and hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends. And I'm damn sure that I'll see you in the next video. And now it's time to say you goodbye. Take care and have a nice rest of your day.